Hi guys, let's take a look at this equation on the board. It's very simple. All you need to do is to simplify the algebra, right? Now we have 5 bracket x minus 3 close bracket equals to 20. So the question asks us to find x over 7. What is x divided by 7? So first of all, we have to look for the value of x. To get the value of x, we have to use 5 to multiply everything inside this bracket. 5 times x, this is going to give us 5x. 5 times 3 is going to give us minus 15 equals to 20. Alright? Now, this is 5x. We are looking for the value of x. So we have to move this minus 15 to this side to become plus 20. So 5x equals to 20 minus 15. Don't forget when your minus sign is crossing, it becomes plus. So 5x is equals to 20 plus 15. Now we have our 5x, which is equal to 20 plus 15 will give us 35. Now to get the value of x, we have to divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So which is x equals to 35 over 5. So our x therefore is equals to 7. Alright? 35 divided by 5 will give us 7. Therefore, x over 7 is equals to, what is our x? 7. 7 divided by 7, which is equals to 1. So our final answer is 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Bye.